Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make text a smart object in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, create a new layer and type text. Example type text. Okay. Double click. Then right click on your mouse, convert to smart object, and double click to this icon. Okay. Then select a new, create a new window. Then again double click and edit your text easily. Smart object. Press Ctrl T, hold Shift, press Ctrl S set, then automatically change text. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.